Okay. Welcome. We are going over chapter 3 in LE1, and this is going to be our formal review for the semester final. And I believe all the recording is going on. I have your LE book opened up to page 147. It's called Be Health Smart. This is the same chapter that all the public speaking was done by the cadets, covering healthcare, nutrition, and first aid. So I'm going to go through this real quickly, all 3 lessons, and review the terms. Or actually, you're going to review the terms so that we can actually have them reviewed prior to the actual semester test. The semester test will be a written test for the hybrid students. That will be on the Leadership Lab 18, which I believe is May 13th. And for the kids here in person, will be during our semester test, which is during the, this is 6th period? What period is it? 6th period? So that will actually be on the Thursday of the finals week, okay? All right. Here is the vocabulary on the page 149 you guys can look at. And we're going to go through the vocabulary, which is important for all of our classes to make sure you know the basic words that encompass the definitions of healthcare and nutrition. So, starting with Stephen, we can start going around the room there and actually, the vocabulary on the top right of 149. Why don't you take the first vocabulary word and read the definition, and then we'll go to Ashlyn and go around the room.
Yes, sir. Healthcare system includes all the medical care available to a nation's people, the way they receive the care, and the way the care is paid for.
What's next?
Preventative care, which involves keeping disease or injury from happening or getting worse.
Primary care physicians are the medical doctors who provide physical checkups and general care.
Specialists are doctors trained to handle particular kinds of patients or medical conditions.
So I have a question for you. Nice question for the test. When you're sick, what is the first kind of doctor you go to?
Physician.
A physician, but what kind?
A general physician. Primary care.
Primary care. The term now is primary care. Okay, it used to be called family doctor or whatever, but that person is your primary care physician, and that is straight out of all these healthcare insurance companies. So you go there. If you have a heart problem, the first doctor you go to is not a heart doctor. You have to go to a PCH, primary care physician or primary care health provider, in order to get the recommendation to go to the specialist. Because a specialist, just like you said here, might be a skin, or might be heart, or might be foot doctor. All these specialists are recommended after you go to it. So that's kind of how it works nowadays. Okay, next.
Health insurance, which is a plan in which private companies or government programs pay for part of a person's medical costs.
Health maintenance organizations, HMOs. An HMO is an organization that provides health care for a fixed price.
Preferred provider organizations, PPOs. A PPO is a type of insurance in which medical providers agree to charge less for members of the plan.
Point of service, POS, plan. A POS is a health plan that allows members to choose providers inside or outside the plan.
Okay, hold it. So we have 3 different types of way to pay for health care. HMOs, PPOs, or POSs. Which is the best?
Health maintenance organizations.
It depends on your point of view.
The answer is yes. It depends on your point of view. What if you have Dr. Bean here, who is the best brain surgeon, and you positively 100% want to go to him? But
Pay for it.
there you go. If he may not be part of my, like I'm TRICARE, because I'm military, he may not accept my my insurance. So it's going to have to be a point of service. You're going to have to go there